Hi guys, TreasureTuber is here again, and I put together a new video how you can earn money online free, nothing to pay for. I'm not selling anything, just putting my knowledge into the video format to show you how you can earn money online by watching videos. This is amazing, check it out.
This video, I show you how to make free PayPal money from just watching YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to earn $100 per day online for absolutely free. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is, make money from watching YouTube videos. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. Step number 1, go to YouTube, then watch some videos. Step number 2, log into the software that will pay you to watch these videos. And then step number 3, get other people to watch these videos so you can earn 5 times more. Making money while laying in your bed and watching videos might seem impossible, but with this brand new strategy, which I will share with you in this video, you can actually make hundreds of dollars, and it's all absolutely free to sign up, which will take you less than 60 seconds, but it can make you recurring profits every single day. And you can get paid directly to your PayPal account. And don't forget, I have special bonuses for you at the end of this video, which are exclusive tips that can help you earn 5 times more than anyone else, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm about to show here. Let's go ahead and hop into the payment proof. As you can see, people are getting paid out in many different ways. PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, bank transfer and the likes. And people are getting paid out every single minute of the day. Right now, as you can see, $41 here, $13, $15, and $5 here, so people are earning all day long utilizing this method. For that reason, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this system. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump over to this video right here, which is all about Roblox gameplays. So I've just gave you a bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category of video, Roblox, which is one of the most popular and most played games of all time. As you can see right here, this video has over 19 million views. And we want to take advantage of these millions of people watching this type of video right here. With these 19 million people, you could have earned money for every single one of them, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. So now let's go ahead and go over to YouTube. And I'm going to show you exactly what to search for here on YouTube. So what we're going to search for is Roblox gameplays. Now, if you've watched these types of videos, you probably already know that there are lots of videos out there, and you should be getting paid for those videos you watch. But if you've never heard of this, all you're going to search for is Roblox gameplays, and then just click on filter and select view count. The reason for that is we want the most popular videos that get the most views. This one right here has 19 million views. You know, we could have profited off of every single one of those views. And that's what we want to take advantage of, because these videos are getting the most views consistently. So we can earn with the software that I'm about to show you. So what we're going to do is click on this video. It's going to take us right over here, and then we're going to click share. After that, we're going to grab that link, that little URL link of this video. Or you could go up into the top toolbar and copy the URL link to this video manually. And then you're going to take that URL link, because that's how you're going to earn the money. And now we will proceed to the goldmine, which is our money-making software. And this software is called shrinkme.io. So you just simply shorten URLs and earn money in return, and as you can see right here, highest paying URL shortener. Join now and earn up to $220 for 10,000 views. Now, how easy would it be to earn hundreds of dollars with a video that got 19 million views, right? Probably very, very easy. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So what we're going to do is create an account, shorten our link, and earn money, as simple as that. They've had over 18 million total clicks on their 9 million total URLs, and over 490,000 registered users who are taking advantages of this right now, earning money every single day all over the world. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. They pay out in many different ways. PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, bank transfer and the likes. So let's go ahead and create an account. So just click on register and that will lead you this page. From here, just create a unique username, enter your email as well as your password, just check I'm not a robot, and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. After you read it thoroughly, then just click register. After registering, just log into your brand new account, and then it's going to bring you to your dashboard, right here. Now what we're going to do is click on new shortened link. And that's going to take you right over here. As you can see, we have our YouTube URL link of that video with 19 million views. Then we just click shorten, and it gives us our custom link right here. So now, every single time people click on this custom link, you are going to get paid. Yes, you heard it right. You're going to make money for every single click. On the other hand, it's going to show you your total views, as well as your total earnings and average CPM. So you could track your daily earnings. Now what we're going to do is take our custom money making link, this one right here, copy it. And we're going to go over to 3 separate groups and forums where people are interested in watching Roblox videos. They want the latest and greatest video, they want the most viral videos to view, and we're going to show them those Roblox videos. Alright, so the first group is this one right here. It's called Roblox Giveaways here on Facebook. So Facebook has this group with 22,000 members that you're going to have access to. This is a public group, so you could join right now. So as part of the special bonus that I have promised you, I want to share with you this free copy and paste template that you can use in order to help you make a lot more money. So you can just copy this template, and you can share this on the Roblox Giveaways Facebook group, as well as on the next groups and forums that I will discuss in a moment. From there, you're going to be getting a lot of clicks on your custom link, and you're going to be making a lot of money. On the other hand, this is how I structured this template. Have you guys checked out this amazing Roblox gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. You can watch the video right here. And this is where you're going to put in your custom link. Okay, so this is the very first group which has 22,000 members, but there are groups and forums that get even more people viewing and clicking your custom link. They have the most views so you can get the most amount of money. So I'm going to show you those sites right now. Let's go ahead and go over to this site right here, which is called roblox.fandom.com. It's basically a forum where people come and discuss Roblox gameplays and discussing how to play the game and the likes. There are tons of different discussions here that you could join and hundreds of different topics that people are talking back and forth. Now let's go to the final and best site. This site is called robloxforum.com. So this is literally a Roblox forum, and they're getting tons of views, as you can see here with this tool. Just last month, over 62,000 people came to this site and discussed topics all about Roblox. So you have access to over 62,000 people per month, and up to 75,000 people at its peak. So just go back to your shrinkme.io dashboard and copy this custom link right here, then go back to our template and paste the link right here. All you have to do is just copy this entire template and post them into this groups and forums. Now here's the special bonus tip that I've promised you. If for some reason it's not working in your country, what I highly recommend you do is simply go over to Google and search for some free VPNs. So just search and install for a free VPN, then connect your computer or your IP address to a top-tier country just like US, UK or Canada. In that way, you can sign up to all the other websites that are for top-tier countries only. In fact, I also use a VPN in this particular strategy and in all websites that I can't access. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it, just comment down below. In that way, I will know exactly that you're interested in it. So in the future, I can make a special video tutorial on how to do it. In continuation, you don't have to put in a lot of effort in doing this strategy, because these particular gaming videos are picking up a lot of trends, and they're super popular right now, especially if you find a good video on YouTube which is getting a lot of views. So you're also going to get a lot of clicks in your custom links and earn more money. That's exactly how you make money from watching YouTube videos. So there we go. And now if you want to earn even more money, check the first link at the description down below to discover how to get paid free PayPal money from watching videos, which is a new strategy to make $200 per day online for absolutely free till 2021, which anyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.